If you're planning a trip to Greece, one thing you'll need to think about before you travel is how you'll stay connected. Should you use your normal mobile provider, buy a local SIM card, or get an eSIM? I'm Chrysula, a local here in Greece, and in this video I'll explain why I think an eSIM is one of the best options for traveling in Greece. Show you how easy it is to install and share a few tips to help you get everything set up before your trip. Before we get into my recommended eSIM for Greece, let's quickly look at why so many travelers now choose to use an eSIM. When you're traveling around Greece, having mobile data makes your trip much easier. You'll probably use Google Maps to find your hotel or navigate around Athens. Check ferry schedules if you're island hopping, book taxis, look up restaurant recommendations, or access your hotel and attraction bookings. Without mobile data, you will have to rely on public Wi-Fi, which isn't always available when you need it most. Another big advantage is that if your home provider doesn't include roaming in Greece, using an eSIM can help you avoid expensive roaming charges. Unlike a traditional SIM card, there is no need to remove your existing SIM or change your phone number. You simply install the eSIM on your phone and use it for mobile data while keeping your regular SIM in place. That means you can continue using apps like WhatsApp without any interruption. For most travelers, it's one of the easiest and most convenient ways to stay connected throughout their trip. The best eSIM for Greece, in my experience, is SIM Local eSIM. One of the reasons I like it is because the whole process is incredibly straightforward. You can purchase your eSIM online before your trip, install it in as little as 5 minutes, and have everything ready before you even leave home. If you do decide to use SIM Local eSIM, I will leave a link in the description below, and you can use my discount code GREECE10 to save 10% on your purchase. SIM Local eSIM works with Vodafone and Wind, two of Greece's leading mobile networks. So you get reliable coverage whether you're exploring Athens, visiting the islands, or taking a road trip around mainland Greece. And unlike many eSIM providers that operate entirely online, SIM Local also has physical stores at Athens International Airport. So if you have any questions, need help setting up your eSIM, or simply prefer to buy a traditional physical SIM card, you can speak to someone in person when you arrive. They also offer flexible plans for every type of trip, available for 3, 7, 15 or 30 days. Fixed gigabyte plans if you just need a set amount of data for light browsing. Unlimited with 5 GB of high-speed data per day, perfect for most travelers, maps, messaging, social media and everyday use. Unlimited Pro with 10 GB of high-speed data per day, ideal if you're streaming, working remotely or sharing your connection a lot. And on both unlimited plans, hotspot and tethering are included at no extra cost, so you can share your connection with a laptop, tablet or travel companions. If you are on a gigabyte plan and run low, you can also top up in the app in a couple of taps. Another thing I really appreciate is that unlike many eSIM providers that operate entirely online, SIM Local also has physical stores at Athens International Airport, plus support by WhatsApp and email. So if you have any questions, need help setting up your eSIM, or simply prefer to buy a traditional physical SIM card, you can speak to someone in person when you arrive. And if something doesn't work out, they offer no quibble refunds. Finally, there is no need to remove your existing SIM card or change your phone number. Your regular SIM stays in your phone while the eSIM handles your mobile data. So apps like WhatsApp continue to work just as they normally do. Now, before you buy an eSIM, there is one important thing you need to check first. Make sure your phone supports eSIM technology and that it's unlocked. Most newer smartphones are compatible, but not every model is, and compatibility can sometimes vary depending on where the phone was purchased. The easiest way to check is by visiting the SIM local website, where you'll find the compatibility checker. It only takes a moment and can save you from buying any SIM that your phone can't use. Once you have confirmed that your phone is compatible, you are ready to choose the right plan for your trip. Let me show you how easy the whole process is. Start by visiting the SIM local website and downloading the SIM local app for either iPhone or Android. Open the app and enter the country you're traveling to, in this case Greece. You will then see the available plans. Compare the amount of data, the validity period, and the price. Then choose the one that best suits your trip. Complete your purchase, and the app will guide you through the installation process step by step. The whole process only takes a few minutes, and there is no need to remove your existing SIM card or change your phone number. I recommend installing your eSIM before you travel, either the day before your trip or before your flight while you still have a reliable internet connection. Once it is installed, keep it switched off until you arrive in Greece. Before you land, there are just a few settings you will want to check. Set your SIM local eSIM as your mobile data line. Turn data switching off so your home SIM doesn't accidentally use roaming data. Turn data roaming on for your SIM local eSIM so it can connect to the local network when you arrive. If your plan includes calls and texts, set your SIM local eSIM as the default line for those as well. In most cases, your eSIM will automatically connect once you arrive in Greece, and you'll be ready to use Google Maps, WhatsApp, taxi apps, and everything else you need from the moment you land. One feature that really sets SIM local apart is that they have physical stores at Athens International Airport. So if you have already purchased your eSIM and need help getting connected, you can receive in-person support when you arrive. You'll find one store in the arrivals hall near exit 1 and another in the baggage hall opposite baggage belt 1. And if you don't have any SIM compatible phone or simply prefer a traditional SIM card, you can also buy a physical SIM card there. If you're looking for an easy way to stay connected while traveling in Greece, I think SIM Local is an excellent option. It's quick to set up, you can install it before you travel, choose a plan that suits your trip, and avoid relying on public Wi-Fi or paying expensive roaming charges. I also like that they have physical stores at Athens International Airport. So if you need any help or prefer a traditional SIM card, there's someone you can speak to in person. If you would like to check the available plans, I will leave a link in the description below. And if you use my discount code GREECE10, you'll get 10% off your purchase. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Greece travel tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!